here we have a clip.
Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to turn this into this? How to turn this into this in one click? Well, so that's why we're here today. We're outdoors. There's a road right behind me, so there's some cars passing by. Then there's also some wind, and I also added an artificial fan right beside me. There's a lot of background noise, but don't worry, we're gonna learn how to get rid of all of them and isolate your beautiful voice with literally just one click in DaVinci Resolve. Right? Let's get going!
Alright, so very simple. Come to the musical note. If you cannot see any effects or at the left hand side, remember to come here to the effects tab. And simply we come to the right. Our audio is on audio track 1. Over here, audio 1. We see this little voice isolation thing. Click this. And now it's on. To see the controls, we can open this up. But let's just see how our voice sounds with the effect now.
Welcome back to another tutorial. Have you ever wondered how to turn this into this? How to turn this?
This is without the effect.
We're here today. We're outdoors. There's a road right behind me, so there's some cars passing by.
And this is with the cleanup.
Besides me. There's a lot of background noise.
What the heck did we do? We literally just did this in one click, so that's the magic.
With literally just one click in DaVinci Resolve. Right? Let's get going.
However, if you think that you still want a little bit background noise, that's when you can play with the knob. Alright?
That's why we're here today. We're outdoors.
So maybe let's retain a little bit of
also some wind, and I also added an artificial fan right beside me. There's a lot of background noise, but don't worry, we're gonna learn all of them and isolate your beautiful voice with literally just one click in DaVinci Resolve.
Maybe here.
Right?
Yeah.
Let's get going.
It's a little tip and trick if we just want to listen to this part, right, and not go further away. We can select. Let's say we just want to keep replaying. Remember to put this loops.
Literally just one click in DaVinci Resolve. With literally just one click in DaVinci Resolve.
So it will keep looping. And if you don't do this, basically what we'll do is
just one click in DaVinci Resolve. Right.
It will continue. Okay. And that could be a little bit problematic if you just want to listen to one part. Now that we have it, I also want to add like a little bonus thing that I really like to do. Let me just turn off the voice isolation. This one is very simple as well. It's simply called EQ. So what we do is we also come to audio track 1 at the right, scroll down, you will see EQ. Click on it and this page will pop up. First, band 1, turn it on. Band 6, turn it on. So I'll keep this loop going. I'll make band 2 to this, band 2 to this shape of the Q factor. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna find the weird frequency sounds. Okay, so let's do it for band 2 first.
Wonder how to turn this into this.
First,
how to turn this into this in one click. Well, so that's why we're here today. We're outdoors. There's a road right behind me, so there's some.
They're really weird frequencies.
Also some wind, and I also added an artificial fan
here
besides me. There's
the same thing for band 3.
All of them and isolate your beautiful voice with literally just one click in DaVinci Resolve.
Maybe here.
Let's get going. Excited. All right.
Band 4.
Oops. Have you ever wondered how to turn this? How to turn
5
in one? Well, so this is an artificial fan. There's a lot of background noise.
Maybe Q4, band 4 can make it a little bit broader.
How to turn this into this, how to turn it in one click.
For band 3.
There's a rope.
Maybe we just want to listen to this part. So let's see the before and after.
And I also added an artificial fan right beside me. there's a lot of background noise, but don't worry, we're gonna learn how to get rid of all of them and isolate your beautiful voice
after. This is another way you can do it, but definitely you can hear that the voice isolation method is much cleaner. There is specific frequencies that are just really annoying. You can definitely equalize, just down that frequency. That's it for today. So now you know to have a crisp and beautiful voice with simply one click in DaVinci Resolve. See you guys in the next one, and please like and subscribe if you learned something so we can continue to help and support this community. Bye bye.